हे गाइस, दिस इज श्रुतिका। वेलकम टू माय चैनल टैंजिबल कैनवास। इस वीडियो में हम कोई पेंटिंग वीडियो देखने नहीं वाले जो स्टेप बाय स्टेप वीडियो हो सकता है, बट इस वीडियो में आई विल बी गोइंग टू गिव यू इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट वन ऑफ माय पेंटिंग which is landscape painting, and it's 5 by 3 feet around, and this is my first painting which is this much big. So let's start. It's लैंडस्केप पेंटिंग। रिक्वायरमेंट थी कि मेरे फ्रेंड को एक वाटरफॉल की पेंटिंग चाहिए थी, एंड देन वी कम अप विद हिज आइडिया। एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, इस लैंडस्केप पेंटिंग में ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द नेचुरल एलिमेंट्स गॉट कवर्ड। लाइक एक सनराइज है, देन रिवर, वाटरफॉल, फॉग, हिल्स, trees. So all these things are included in one painting, and in single painting I have used multiple techniques and multiple type of brushes as well. As this is the big sized painting, you can see, so mainly I used these these four brushes. You can see that these are very big sized. I can show you the number as well. It's 12 number. It okay. So the first step I covered this hill, जो आप देख सकते हो ब्राउन में है। एंड ये ब्राउन कलर देखते वक्त यू हैव टू डिस्टिक कि कहीं पे शैडो हो सकती है, कहीं पे लाइट। सो यू हैव टू यूज़ 4 कलर्स लाइक ब्लैक, brown, white and yellow. So you can see here that यहाँ पे एक light shade है, so that's why you can see I used brown plus white shade, and somewhere I used yellow as well. Okay, and for the shadow, this is the front heel and ये back side है, so that's why it will be in a dark shade. Okay, somewhere you can see that the green shade as well I have given here. Okay, so this was my first step. I completed whole brown colored heel first. और ये एक एक्रेलिक पेंटिंग है, सो हमें कलर का बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ता है कि इफ़ यू आर स्टार्टिंग विद वन कलर, ट्राई टू फिनिश दैट कलर फर्स्ट, बिकॉज विद इन अ 5 minute color gets dry. Okay, so this is very important. After doing this, I ये हिल बनाया मैंने, and you can see that multiple colors has been used. Like you can see orange, sea green color, white, yellow, then blue, multiple shades of blue. So here you can see that there are few patches to show hills. So for that I used knives. First of all, I painted with color by using this brush. It's in bit slant shape, you can see, and it's of 8 number. It's not visible. Okay, then I use these two knives, you can see. So in knife you have to take color in the back side like this, and then just apply it like this. If suppose I want my direction is from right to left, then you just have a color in back side and then spread it. Okay, so that this way you can get this kind of effect. Okay, it is a fast technique rather than using a brush. So this was my second step. Then moving to this, I covered this portion. Here you can see all the back elements I did first. For example, यहाँ पे एक heel है जो मैंने finish किया, and then this sky color I finished it. After that, you can see ये fogs है. So इसको कवर करने के वक्त फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई डिड दिस प्लांट्स बैक साइड जो आप देख सकते हो, दैट आई कवर्ड, एंड देन दिस फॉग. सो हाउ टू डू दिस फॉग? I did fog kind of thing first time. So I use this land brush. एंड आपको ध्यान रखना है कि वाटर जो है इट शुड बी वेरी लेस इन दिस ब्रश, ओके। सो यहाँ पे वो ब्रश यूज़ किया है एज वेल एज दिस ब्रश। दिस इज़ आई मस्ट से दिस इज़ वेरी मैजिकल ब्रश। इट improves our performance, painting performance, I must say, okay। So I'll tell you. So using this brush I gave these passages. So from, so you can see that this effect, fog effect, has come up very beautifully. And then sun part. Okay, to do a sun part, first of all you have to use two colors. One color is yellow and another is white. So first एक white का circular color आपको देना है in the mid, and then just decide what is the circle shape, and then from outside to inward you have to give yellow color. So you can see the shade has come here, okay। So this is sun effect. And moving to next, this sun rays I gave at the last after finishing all the elements on this painting, okay। So moving to next part, then the main part is what, okay। So this water part also I use this brush as well as this slant brush here, okay। With use by using this brush we got this texture very easily, okay। You can see the patches here. So this structure we got very easily. And then this part I used this brush to give this water effect. And then ये जो इफ़ेक्ट है कि वाटर इज़ फॉलिंग डाउन एंड कुछ वाटर पार्टिकल्स से हवा में उड़ रहे हैं, तो वो इफ़ेक्ट हम इस ब्रश से दे सकते हैं, ओके। सो व्हाट आई डिड, आई टुक वाइट एंड ब्लू कलर हियर, एंड देन एकदम ड्राई कलर होना चाहिए, एंड देन आई स्प्रेड हियर, okay, in this way। So you can see this beautiful effect by using same brush, okay। Moving to next, these trees I loved most, okay। So first of all what you have to do, जो 1 or 2 point का जो brush होता है, using that you have to make one stem, vertical stem, then few branches first. After that you have to give this leaves wala structure. So how to give that, for that also I use the same brush. In this brush you have to use, you can see it's very wide. So what I did, I took till this portion I took yellow, then next portion I took dark green or light green, like that, three colors in the same brush, okay, in a parts, and use this brush and apply like this randomly, ठीक है, just spread it, and you will enjoy this a lot, okay। just tap on a board and you will get this effect. First try to give a darker shade and then feel lighter shade in the sense yellow and the white shade, okay। So you can see this beautiful effect of a tree, and this is very easy technique, okay। Then the same effects I have given below as well, and the sun rays also I used a 2 point brush to spread this, that's it। And here also you can see the structure of leaves by using the same technique, okay। Isn't it beautiful, okay। So this is what the whole painting looks like, okay। It's very big it's not coming in my frame, आई होप ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा एंड इस वीडियो से आपने कुछ टेक्निक्स भी सीखी होगी, सो डू कमेंट शेयर एंड लाइक दिस वीडियो।